Welcome back. I hope everyone is doing well. Vitamins of the air. Himalayan salt crystal lamps and candle holders help to counteract the dangers of electro smog in your living environment. When lit, they impart negative ions, helping to cleanse the air you breathe. Nature is constantly producing negative ions to combat the pollution in air. This is why the air is so refreshing after a storm. Lightning produces a high concentration of negative ions, which purifies the air and makes it so invigorating. Water from a cascading waterfall also produces negative ions, as the water thunders against the pool below, causing both friction and evaporation, both energy sources. Negative ions are good for you. Negative ions restore and neutralize air quality. Negative ions can be used to treat illness and improve health. Our homes and offices are filled with electrical appliances and electronics, such as televisions, computers, fluorescent lighting, microwaves, heaters, air conditioners, etc. Use of such devices have been blamed for lowering our energy levels, making us feel tired, cranky, and depressed because of their emissions of positive ions. Keeping a rock salt lamp or candle holder in areas where positive ions are polluting your airspace will help neutralize the air you breathe. Balancing positive and negative ions also help reduce airborne infections. How does this work? Himalayan salt lamps emit negative ions in the air, which are healthy for the human body. The ionization is supported by the bulb inside of the salt block, since the bulb heats the salt block around it. Himalayan salt attracts the water around it, and this process is called hygroscopic. Therefore, the Himalayan salt lamps may become damp or wet, especially in an environment with high humidity. As the bulb heats the salt lamp, the water evaporates and the negative ions are released in the air. The negative ions bind with the positive harmful ions, such as allergens, molds, and bacteria, and neutralize the environment in the house. The benefits of emitting negative ions into your living space are: reduces allergens, increases qi, supports the immune system, reduces effects of seasonal affective disorder, boosts serotonin levels, improves mental alertness, promotes general well-being. In 1966, a hospital in Jerusalem conducted a study of 38 infants suffering from respiratory problems. They cared for half of the infants in a ward without an ion change, and cared for the other half in a ward where a negative ion generator was in use. The researchers reported that neg ions without any other treatment, that is, no drugs, seem to cure attacks of asthma and bronchitis more quickly than drugs, antibiotics included. Children treated with neg ions were less prone to rebound attacks, relapses. The scientific report said that the tests demonstrated that atmospheric ions have an effect on infants, especially those suffering with asthmatic bronchitis. Less significantly, they found that the babies didn't cry as often and as loudly as they did in normal air. Some studies show that salt lamps and candle holders generate negative ions, but not in large amounts. How many negative ions a salt lamp or salt candle holder can release depends on its size and how warm a matchlit candle or electric light bulb makes it. It is possible to buy machines that create negative ions, but salt lamps are a less expensive alternative and offer other benefits as well. Plus, a high-quality one can last for decades. Please see on your screen information on how to add a salt lamp or candle holder to your living environment. Tip: for cleaning the lamp or candle holder, if your salt lamp or candle holder gets dusty, as they sometimes do not immerse it in water. Use a lightly damp cloth or sponge to wipe it down, and then dry it with a soft towel. An alternative to towel drying is to just light the candle inside it and let it warm up, which will dry it as well. I will post the sources below. Thank you for watching. Good day and good health.